Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving linear equations. Today, we will be focusing on how to solve the equation 6x plus 5 equals 14. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the steps necessary to find the solution for x in this equation. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and tackle this problem together. Let's get started. Step 1. We start with the given equation, 6x plus 5 equals 14. Our goal is to solve for the variable x. The first step is to isolate the term containing x. To do this, we need to eliminate the constant term on the left side of the equation, which is plus 5. We can achieve this by subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. When we subtract 5 from the left side, we also need to subtract 5 from the right side to maintain the equality. This alters the equation in the following way. 6x plus 5 minus 5 equals 14 minus 5. The plus 5 and minus 5 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with 6x equals 9. Thus, Step 1 transforms the equation from 6x plus 5 equals 14 to 6x equals 9. Step 2. Now that we have 6x equals 9, our next objective is to isolate the variable x itself. To do this, we need to eliminate the coefficient of x, which is 6. We can achieve this by dividing both sides of the equation by 6. When we divide the left side by 6, we also need to divide the right side by 6 to maintain the equality. This alters the equation in the following way. 6x divided by 6 equals 9 divided by 6. The 6 divided by 6 on the left side cancels each other out, leaving us with x equals 9 divided by 6, which simplifies to x equals 3 divided by 2 or 1.5. Thus, step 2 transforms the equation from 6x equals 9 to x equals 3 divided by 2 or 1.5, which is the solution to the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.